Okay, so here's how AI sucks, and here's how you can fix it. ChatGTP, everybody's doing these flyers, racetracks, everyone out there. I have an event coming up. I'm going to be racing a USRA hobby stock. I'm going up against a 9-time national champion. There's going to be 410 sprint cars in the building. It's this Friday, July 3rd at Rapid Speedway in Rock Rapids, Iowa. All those who want to watch it, it'll be on Advantage Racing TV, AdvantageRacing.tv. But let me show you what I'm talking about. I was trying to get all the pictures of the guys I'm going to be going up against, and I was trying to put like a little flyer with ChatGTP, and I've dealt with this in the past. It can do some great things, but you have to check what's going on. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I put all of it together. This is the Chaz. I'm calling it the Hobby Stock Smackdown. It's their Independence Weekend here, America's 250th birthday. I told it to do all these nice things. Zach Patterson, World Outlaws Championship crew member, going to be there in the 410 sprint car. So it's going to be 410s, 305s, sportsmen, and hobby stocks. So 4 divisions at this track. They rarely have 410s there, so it's a rare appearance. Hot lap 645, everything like that. So first glance, you see this, it might look good. Well, it doesn't. This Tyler Slumbum Millionaire's car is over here. The name's here. This. Where's my car? I'm a Z4. It's not even in the picture. There's 2 Joseph Zahns, my teammate, by the way, in the Z. 2 of those. There's the Z4. There's the Z4. The Gold Branson 9 times. Landon Crone. All this stuff. These are the hitters of the hobby stock division. So that one trash, right? But it's there. It's close. But it's trash. You got to watch what this AI ChatGTP is doing. This is what it also spit out when I said to rearrange, talk to it, all that. It changed the Nick Brady car to an 18. Me and the Zahn crew are close. It changed the logo on the carts, Make It Mine Designs, who did all these. It now put another Z car where Dustin Goldbranson is. Dustin Goldbranson's not even in the flyer. It's got Slumbum Millionaire over here. He's all right. Landon Crone, it changed it from an 18K to a 16K. Everything, it's got 2. What kind of logo is this? I gave it my logo, it didn't work, and I don't even know what it's doing. So you have to have what I would call skills and ability. A lot of people are really pissed at ChatGTP right now because it's taking people's jobs. People used to charge tracks to make flyers. That's what they did, and they would sit here and take all the pictures, just like I did, of all the different cars, and put them together in a way to create a flyer. Once again, this is from the track. They're using ChatGTP, obviously. Does that look like a sprint car? No hating. I'm just saying this is how you can adjust and fix your AI situation. I mean, this is a nice-looking flyer, right? But the spelling's off. That's a weird-looking sprint car. So is that. There are ways, though, to adjust and do this. You still have to have the skills, though. But I'm not hating, once again, if the flyers come out looking like this with kickoff with 2 O's, and this is how some of the people who used to get paid to do flyers for racetracks get very mad and come after and attack tracks and people who use it. But you have to double check. You have to make sure what they're doing here. The ChatGTP, once again, this looks beautiful from the IC, but once you go in and look a little closer, it's not. So that was wrong. I kind of like the look. That's wrong. It's close. So we had to come in here and completely physically in Adobe Photoshop, which is where all the flyers of all of history used to be made, either this or Illustrator. Of all the flyers we saw until AI came along, this is how the manual labor side people did it. They did it in Photoshop. They put the logos in manually, the car pictures manually. They labeled all this manually. Took plenty of hours. This is why I do say, if you're skilled with Photoshop, because maybe the people who did the Rapid Speedway don't have Photoshop ability. It's an actual skill. You need to know all the tools. You need to know how to, all the layers, the navigation. This is like a job. People went to school to learn how to operate these things. Or you had to be self-taught like me. You know, I got 5 Adobe. I got my music program. I got Adobe Audition. I got Premiere Pro where I do all my video and editing. I got 60, 70 layers in some of this stuff. But for this, I had to go in here and manually fix this crap, because even though it looks good, this is crap because it's not right. So I like the look of this one. I like the big car in the center, but I also like this big car in the center. It has the proper labeling. So to save some time, what I did was I went in here and edited. I pulled out my tools, my eraser tool, my brush tool, my auto select, the generative fill that Adobe has came out with. It helped a little bit. So we went from this that's wrong, this that's wrong, and here's what I'm about to put out. Even though we got there's still some little things that's going to be wrong, but there's some things that we fixed. So we went from this to finished product, I think this. So look at how many things just changed in that. Now I know y'all may think that's not a lot, but these are all manual changes, and honestly, it's way shorter, way easier than actually doing a flyer from scratch. Obviously, I thought this one looked good. I thought this one looked good. So we kind of used our tools, used our skills to make it right. If you don't make it right, ChatGPT is just going to make it all a mess. It's going to be, kick off with 2 O's. So anyway, I thought I would talk about this because I do think that AI is helpful. It's taking, this has only took me about 2 hours to do, talking with AI, making the adjustments, but I mean, it's still a beautiful flyer. It still looks really pretty. Yeah, there's some little logos on this car, that car, or these other people's cars that are wrong. But the main centered logo has the Make It Mine on there. There is some adjustments for those who know what they're looking at. They know what they're looking at, but you can see from what they provided, we did go ahead and splice that in the proper labeling there. Of course, Straight Line and Lawn and Snow company there. They're one of the premier sponsors on the Z4, the Zahn-Racing team that we're going to be in their car. So, and we got the teammates down there. Chaz takes on the best 410. It's all looking good. We got the proper logo in there. We removed the hand from the shirt. Once again, these are all skills that you develop over the years in proper promotional flyers. And this is why, once again, a lot of jobs were lost when ChatGPT came out. A lot of people are doing ChatGPT to make event flyers, and I believe they're beautiful. They are beautiful. But when you got some mistakes, some people notice them, and that's where your traditional media people come out and, point out and say, see, this is why AI sucks. AI doesn't suck. You just have to be able to control it, know what to do with what it gives you. And then sometimes, yeah, you have to pull out your brush tool and your eraser and just do some general touch-ups, and you can get pretty close to what you want. I think this is as good as I'm going to do. So Hobby Stock Smack It Down, Rapid Speedway, July 3rd. 9-time champion, 9-time and reigning USRA champion in the building, Dustin Gulbranson. That's the main hitter. I'm looking to have some fun and maybe rub some fenders. That's why they got them anyways, right? So anyways, not trying to be a doucher, not trying to be mean, and even you media people mad for people to use AI. I think you should be using AI. If you know how, like I do, to use a little brush and a little eraser and a little here and there, you can make stuff that looks pretty damn pretty. Almost as pretty as me. Almost as pretty as me driving that Z4 to the front this Friday. The Smack It Down is on, boy. Get ready.